This Kaishengyuan car vent phone mount is purpose-built for second-generation Toyota Tacoma interiors, so it fits the factory dashboard vents cleanly without looking like an add-on. A dense array of internal magnets delivers very firm grip on your smartphone, so it stays put even when the truck is bouncing over rough roads or speed bumps. The solid metal base is precisely machined to match the vent and lined with rubber, which keeps the mount from sliding while also protecting the plastic from scuffs. A fully adjustable dual ball arm lets you rotate and tilt the phone freely, making it easy to keep navigation in clear view without blocking airflow or the road ahead. Installation is straightforward, snapping onto the vent in about a minute, and the magnetic design makes one-handed phone attachment and removal feel natural. Overall, it feels like an OEM-style upgrade for Tacoma owners who want a stable, low-profile mount that handles modern large smartphones with confidence.